Hey guys, today we are back into another video. Today we are doing the new Hillcrest Championship. I should probably tell her. So, I'm not on a max horse as you may see, but Marble Twin is very speedy. So I have my friend Daniela. Either it's Daniela or Daniela. Daniela, I think. So just here with my friend and waiting for the championship to start. Wait, what do you mean it didn't say? No, she just complimented my horse. I'm aware this ribbon just to show that I'm a winner, even though this is for the Fur Grove champ. That's the. You don't know, you may. She said, I'll lose. AKA the horse I'm riding. Wish it's level 1. Okay, well, this is Marble's second champ of the day. So, I'm trying to fixate this on me. We got Okay, well, yeah, how are we in the same group? So good luck. And I'm a CCN. Not really CCN because I don't do that during champs. I just say that I'm going to CCN. But I actually don't because I want to see what people are saying. Ooh, we're starting on the 17th, but that is just a little bit of screen delay. See, now I'm in 13th. I'm not doing too good. We can see you sweat. I have never been good at championships. I am pretty bad at championships. See, I'm in 13th. So there is no way I'm going to win this. What? I didn't know I was supposed to jump there. Oh, fine. Mr. Hayden. Oh, that dumb bridge got me into 19th. Oh, Daniela. Daniela. Oh, no. No, 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 no. The wasps. Bzz, 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 bzz. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh my god, now. Oh my god, now. Daniela's in third? Are you guys seeing this? Daniela is in third. What? What? I'm getting sent back. This is a little shortcut tip for you guys. Go through this river and you will have to swim for a little second. See, that shortcut took me in the 17th. And instead of 18th or 19th. Oh, now Daniela has backed up to 7. See, and this new hill champ is probably. Oh, look, she already won, and I'm in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Parking people. Trash bags. Oh, whoa. Oh no, 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 no. I'm so bad at this. Okay, Danielle got 7th, but I'm 10 spaces away from cars. Cars, cars. Wait, what? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my god. I was the last one to finish, technically. Ish, okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, guys, today that wasn't very good, but okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.